Good morning, guys. It's so beautiful day. We are continue build our chicken coop today.
We can't believe that the last 6 months has gone by so fast. But we just wanted to say we are so thankful for all your comments and how they have been so motivational. We want to find a way to be able to connect more with you guys than just through the comments. So we have decided that to celebrate our 10,000 subscribers later on, hopefully this month, we are planning to do our first live.
Yeah.
If you are new to live, we're going to have a live broadcast where you will be able to interact with us, ask us whatever questions you want, unfiltered, unedited, and we can get to hear from you guys and answer all the questions about Mongolia. I think it'll be very exciting. So keep an eye out for the 10,000 subscribe mark, and we will advertise our first live.
When we're doing a live, and then feel free to everybody to ask any question, and we can answer best as we can. So let's get back to work.
What are you going to do with that?
I don't know. Why isn't on my hand? I don't know.
As mentioned before, we are outside today continuing our chicken coop build. We have put all the rafters onto the roof. We have to do a couple of bracings. The roof that we got, we looked around for what we want to use. We got this thin metal roofing, which was the cheapest option. There are different options that you can get, but here in Mongolia it is sometimes hard to find the material that you're looking for. So that's pretty much what we're going to get done today.
I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place.
So Ashley is cutting all the woods and measure up, and I'm doing a polish and varnishing. How's it going, babe?
Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap motels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee, dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red truck.
So this is the sheet metal that we went for. This is the color that we chose. You can have it in different thicknesses and you can have it in any shape that you want. We're just going to have it plain so it's easy, pre-cut onto the roof and no hassle. So let's get that done.
You keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap motels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movies.
You're a big boy. Big boy.
Roads in Tennessee, dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red.
Now we have finished putting on the roof. We're going to start with the box. So we're going to start with extra framing, get everything teed up so that we can start putting in the box so we can get our little hens as soon as possible.
Yes.
I'm a man who wants lots of chicks.
Excuse me. Dusting.
Guys, I think we are done for today. The roof is on, it's all square. We started with the nest box. We'll explain a little bit tomorrow what we're going to do in here.
Yes.
And we're going to start to cover it up so we can get our chicks soon. Yeah, guys, we're going to go and crash, get some dinner, be with Flame.
Yes.
We will see you in the morning and we'll continue.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, good night.
Bye.
Easier than metal.
Why are you doing all this?
Back at fixing the coop this morning. Basically what we have done is that instead of a traditional flat floor for the coop actually gets very, very dirty and you have to clean it quite a lot, we have gone for their same plastic material. We're going to put hay on here anyway. As it starts to break down, it will fall through here and it'll be easier to clean and collect like that. So that's why we have it with this material. So basically what we're going to do now is we are going to attach some wood for the perches, and as soon as that is attached we can start putting on the walls.
Yes.
For the perches we have gone for exactly the same wood, which is 4 centimeters by 6 or 7 centimeters, but we have sanded it down really, really nicely and curved the edges so that they won't get any splinters and they have something to grab on. So they should be pretty comfortable at night.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in me.
So this is the product that we're going to go for our chicken coop. It is basically a tongue and groove, but it is a type of metal compound which also has an insulation value to it as well. We don't really have the outdoor covers that you have overseas, which is wood and waterproof. So this is what they have, and it will work just fine.
Brave and come along, I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. You can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. But drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or wanna see it all. Find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild. Catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map. I'll let you know when we've arrived. Yeah, we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. But drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. Just be brave and come
Well done. Well, guys, we have the chicken box on. We have all 3 sides. Next time we're going to start going with the one side. We're going to put a door there and the back box where the chickens can actually lay their eggs.
Bye-bye.
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 And work on the door and get all that done. So guys, we will catch up on this build on the next video. We'll see you next time.
See you.
Ciao. Bye.
Have a good sleep.